Wala kang gana sa umaga, gawin mo tong mga exercise na to or mga drills na to para ma-energize ka. Okay, so first natin, open, close. After that, alternate back and chest taps, big circles, reverse, big waves, alternate swings, trunk twisting, side to side stretch, hip rotation, reverse, move side to side, add up a little bit of shaking your arms, then bounce, shake your arms. Then that's it, guys. So kung tinatamad kayo sa umaga, do these drills para ma-energize kayo. Bye, guys.